Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the aceongears channel. Today, I'm doing a direct and objective comparison between two very popular Philips earbuds, the TAT1108 and its newer version, the TAT1109. Before we start, a quick heads up. You'll notice I don't have detailed shots or B-rolls of the TAT1108 anymore. I have had these earbuds in hand and tested them thoroughly, so this entire comparison is based on real-world experience, alright? You can rest assured the information is accurate and comes from someone who has used both models. Without further ado, let's find out which one is the better option and why. Let's start with the physical and design differences. The first thing that jumps out is the case. In my opinion, the 1108's case is aesthetically nicer, more rounded. However, the 1109's is much more functional. The main issue with the 1108's case is that the magnets don't hold the earbuds very securely. If you drop it, the earbuds are almost certain to fly out. The 1109's case, on the other hand, has a more secure fit, keeping the earbuds snugly in place, which makes it more resistant to everyday accidents. As for the earbuds themselves, they look very similar, but the 1109 has a subtle adjustment in its curves. This is very personal. One might fit your ear better than the other, but both are comfortable. The main difference in usability lies in the controls. The TAT1108 uses physical buttons that you have to press. The TAT1109 has been modernized and now uses touch controls. Personally, I prefer touch controls for their convenience, but it's a matter of taste. Now, let's get into the technical side, where things get more interesting. First, the drivers. The TAT1108 comes with a 6mm driver. The TAT1109 got a nice upgrade, jumping to a 10mm driver. What does this mean in practice? A greater capacity to deliver a more robust sound, especially in the bass. Speaking of sound, the 1109 features a bass boost function to enhance the lows. Activating this mode does add more weight and presence to the low frequencies, enhancing the experience for music genres that benefit from more powerful bass. However, the impact of this change can vary. Depending on your perception and the type of music you listen to, the difference might be more subtle or more noticeable. In any case, the real improvement in overall sound quality comes from the larger driver. Comparing them side by side, the 1109 can deliver a sound with more body and definition, while the 1108 has good sound, but it's a bit simpler. Both offer great passive noise isolation thanks to the ear tips, but neither has active noise cancellation. And what about the microphone? Well, it's not a strong point for either model. There was a slight improvement in the 1109, but both are suitable for the basics. Taking a quick call in a quiet environment, their focus is, without a doubt, music playback. But the most significant upgrade, the biggest difference between them, is the battery. And here, the 1109's victory is a landslide. The TAT1108 offers a total of 15 hours of battery life, with 5 hours in the earbuds and another 10 from the case. The TAT1109 jumps to a total of 24 hours, with 6 hours in the earbuds and 18 hours from the case. That's 9 more hours of total battery life, a huge difference. In practice, with the 1108, a heavy user will likely need to recharge the case every 1 or 2 days. With the 1109, that autonomy easily extends to 3, 4, or even 5 days. It's a difference you really feel in daily use. So let's get to the summary and my final opinion. Which one is more worth it? To be direct, the Philips TAT1109 is the clear winner of this comparison. It delivers potentially better audio quality thanks to the larger driver, more modern controls, and most importantly, far superior battery life. However, there's one scenario where the 1108 might still make sense. If you find the TAT1108 on a very aggressive sale with a really significant price difference compared to the 1109, it becomes a purchase to consider for those looking to spend as little as possible. But if the prices are close or the same, don't think twice. Go for the TAT1109. The battery upgrade alone justifies the choice. So, did this video help you decide? If you're interested in buying one of these models and want to support the channel, please use the affiliate links in the description and in the pinned comment. By purchasing through them, you greatly help the channel continue to create this content at no extra cost to you. And if you want to see my full individual review of each, the videos will also be linked in the pinned comment. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.